My name is Sarah, and today we're going to be talking a little bit about 3D printing technologies. So, first, a little introduction to 3D printing. What exactly is 3D printing? 3D printing is a manufacturing process that can be done commercially or at home. The process uses heated plastics printed in thin layers to create a variety of objects, with everything from Rubik's Cubes to prosthesis being able to be 3D printed. Now let's talk a little bit about CAD. 3D printing uses a technology called computer-aided design, or CAD, to digitally design 3D objects before printing. From CAD, the files are converted to STL, which is a type of code that the 3D printer can read as a graph. Each point on the graph is either filled or not filled, corresponding to whether it needs to be printed or left blank. And this is how many 3D printers understand the code. It's as an array of dots with the printer that will fill in with plastic lines. So what are some uses for 3D printing? So there are three main uses for 3D printing: industrial, medical, and home use. Industrial 3D printing is something that's been around for a little while now and allows high quality parts to be made quickly by machine. These parts are used in everything from plastic bottles to cars, and they tend to be very cheap to make and easy to replace. Medical 3D printing is mostly used in prosthetics right now. From making artificial fingers to entire limbs, strong filament holds up well against the elements, allowing a newer type of cheaper prosthetic to be made. 3D printing for home use can be very practical. In addition to being a great education tool, it can allow people to create objects for themselves to make their daily lives easier, such as 3D printing a watering can for plants, or printing a door handle to replace a broken one. This is just an example of how 3D printing can be taken advantage on an industrial level, a medical level, and for home use. So what does the future of 3D printing look like? When 3D printing was first invented in 1984, we had no idea of the capabilities of this technology. Since then, we have built houses by 3D printing, are researching 3D printed food, and new companies are started every day for a new kind of 3D printing. We don't know what the future will hold, but we do know 3D printing will most likely have a role in it. Thank you for listening.